mother and son. So, how's this low back and hip doing?
Aquí es donde me duele.
So where she's pointing is where it hurts.
It hurts, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So, how's this area up here?
¿Y
No,
arriba?
está bien, está bien. Nomás este es cuando más me duele.
She says up there it's fine. It's just down.
Okay, got it. Alright. Mucho dolor here? No?
Ahí.
Right there? Okay. So I can feel it pull right through here,
Ay,
right there. So it's more at the L4,
ay.
and then the pelvis is pulling back this way. So all we're going to do is drop and take care of that ilium. Drop right in here.
Ay.
Good.
Oh.
There. Good. Excellent.
Ay.
And she has a transition vertebrae right up here. And line your side facing me.
Un poco arriba más. Wait.
A su lado derecho.
Yeah.
Ahí es el lado de la- ay, ay, ay. Ahora me dolió más.
Okay, right there, okay? Is that alright? Okay. You just relax right here. There we go. Okay. Okay, you won't fall. Just respiro profundo. And relax. Relax.
Ah.
Good.
Oh.
Good. Let's sit up for a moment.
Se va a
Sí,
sentar.
Facing
Ay,
yours
pero-
or this way?
Oh, just sitting up, right?
Ay, ahora me dolió. Ah.
Face this way. So your legs are going
Se
down.
va a
Pero
ver-
vaya.
Volteo nomás la cara.
No,
Her
todo su
face,
cuerpo.
no.
No, just so your legs go on this way.
Así.
Good. You're going to scoot back a little bit. A little bit.
Ay, qué dolor.
And have her help herself down on the table. I just have to keep my hand here.
Okay, I see.
Okay, relaxed and boca abajo. Right down.
She wanted to go back.
Yeah,
Se va a ir
Oh.
acostando para atrás.
there you go. Now we're going to have her put her hands behind her neck.
Se
Tus
va.
manos atrás de tu cuello más.
There we go. And bring your elbows together.
Y meta sus codos para el centro.
Good. And just a little bit here. That's it. Excellent. Good. Perfect. And boca arriba.
Ay, ahora que no me dolió este lado.
So we're going right at the L4. Right there. This is kind of a painful one. Right there. Okay. Right there. And straighten this leg.
Oh.
Good, keep going. Good. Excellent.
Las caras que haces.
Ay, pues me duele.
Doing
Sorry,
great.
no.
Oops, sorry. Yeah. Who needs coffee when you can get adjusted? Nice.
Oh.
Nice. Good.
Ay, ay. Ay. Nomás este se
relax.
Okay.
There. Good. And come up and lift that one out. Perfect. How are you doing today?
Good.
Excellent. Okay. That's pretty even. Moving better there. Excellent. Definitely here. Turn your head to the left. And come up and lift that one out. Good. And face down. Much better there. Turn your head this way. Good. Face down. Lie on your back for a moment. So a little bit this way. Nice. Beautiful. Let's sit up, face to the right. Okay, look straight ahead, right there. Chin down. Just adjust. Suck the belly button in and just relax the shoulders up and bring your head back. I'm going to bring it right in. Do that curve. Beautiful. Power is on.